Let's take a look at this pre-alpha build of our web service. The home page looks simple, clean, and easy to navigate. On the left is the feature menu where restaurants can pay a small fee to be featured. To the right is the Explore menu where upon clicking it will take us to a plethora of pixelated flags with emphasis on their respective cuisines. Now let's scroll back up and select one of the flags. Let's say I feel hungry right now. Clicking on the Hungarian flag will take us to a list of nearby Hungarian restaurants. Let's select the first one. The restaurant page contains the general information about the restaurant. Unlike Yelp or other similar directories, we will not feature restaurants on the site that will compete directly with their business. This page is strictly yours to maintain. On the right-hand side, we are able to bookmark this page as well as checking in if the account is tied to Instagram or Facebook. Let's take a look at their Divinii menu. This is where our core concept is revolved around. In this example, you can see that the menu is offering 6 items within 3 different columns. Say, for example, I walk in, connect my app to the restaurant's app, eat for 20 minutes, I'm then given the choice to choose from one of the items in the first row. On the other hand, if my friend and I want to eat out together, he or she could join the party under my name with their app. After dining in for 30 minutes, we could then share one of the items from the second row. The value of the items will reflect as you climb higher up the tier list, which is our effort to encourage people to eat out with their friends. Let's try a different cuisine from the continent of Africa. As you can probably tell by now, unlike most websites, we do not have a review system in place. And that's because we refuse to foster a discriminatory environment where people rely too heavily on reviews, perpetuating the vicious cycle of popular restaurants being popular and empty restaurants to continue being empty. In contrast to the menu we saw earlier, there are more selections in this restaurant. Restaurant owners are able to modify the party size, meal duration, and customize their menu as they see fit. Our role at Divinii is to simply act as a vessel and a cheaper alternative to marketing in an industry where individual restaurants spend thousands of dollars per month just on ads. Finally, let's head back to the home page. Again, on the left side, local restaurant owners could pay a small fee to be featured in the featured menu. A number of items will cycle through and change on a daily basis, so don't forget to bookmark the pages you're interested in. This concludes our first video. Our app will be available on iOS and Android. If you like this video, please give it a like and share it. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.